Question number 4. A 2-year-old boy presents with multiple skin abscesses positive for Staphylococcus aureus. Past medical history is significant for recurrent infections by the same organism. The nitroblue tetrazolium test demonstrates an inability to kill the microbes. Which of the following defects is most likely responsible for the findings in this patient? So you need to know what NBT test, what it detects. So our options are option A, deficiency of CD40L on activated T cells. Option B, tyrosine kinase deficiency blocking B cell maturation. Option C, inability to generate microbicidal respiratory burst. Option D, inability to fuse phagosomes. Option E, MHC class 2 deficiency. Here it was saying that a 2-year-old boy presents with multiple abscesses of Staph aureus. Staph aureus is an organism that is killed by respiratory outburst. Okay, respiratory outburst is a process that occurs in the PMNL cells, phagocytosis cells, and it causes the production of H2O2 and other free radical species. Now these free radical species help to kill the bacteria. So for them to develop, there is requirement of NADPH oxidase, which is an enzyme. Now presence of this oxidase enzyme can be differentiated. It can be marked by testing using a test known as nitroblue tetrazolium test. Now NBT test, what it will do is it will decolorize. If it decolorizes, then the respiratory microbicidal burst is active. If it does not decolorize, then the burst is not active. So many a times it might be given that NBT test remained blue, which means it is not active. And when it says that NBT turned from blue to yellow, which means it is active. So that would mean that the NBT test is active. So other ways by elimination, deficiency of CD40L on activated T cells. Now this is something else. This is migration problem. So when we say that CD40L is required for migration, it may be that there is absence of NADP, absence of PMNL cells in the site of infection, or there is no formation of pus or something like that. Tyrosine kinase deficiency blocking B cell maturation. This is totally different. This is something of an intrinsic problem of the B cell maturation. Okay. Inability to fuse lysosome with phagosome. This is also inclusion cell disease. Now you will see cells with lots of inclusion bodies. Phagosomes will be present. And MHC class 2 deficiency. This is something that is totally different. This is also not the cause. So our answer is inability to generate microbicidal respiratory burst. Chedia Kigashi, the people will say, the question will say that there is presence of inclusion bodies. That is presence of vacuoles that have substances which are not fused and have accumulated. So there'll be cells will be enlarged and which will have unfused phagosomes. This would be present. If this is present, then it would be Chedia Kigashi. But if they say that the microbial burst is not happening, then it will be NBT test. So this is how you can differentiate.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.